Walimu hoye! Walimu hoye! Asante. This is an important day when we are witnessing the transition of the terms of service for ECDE teachers in Kisii County from contract basis to permanent and pensionable terms. D, this is a new chapter aimed at improving services and performance in the early years education sector. Just as I promised in my manifesto, I take this opportunity to thank our teachers for remaining patient and sticking to the course over the years. Since 2013, all our ECDE teachers have been serving on contract, and it has been my desire that the teachers be absorbed on permanent terms and over-implemented so as to make them in a better way. But there has been a delay since 2022 August when I came into the office. The delay was an absence because of absence of the County Public Service Board in the later part of 2023. We immediately, the new board was sworn in last year. I directed them to move with speed and consider the conversion of terms of service for our ECDE teachers to permanent terms by the end of this month, January 2024. Is it the end of the month?
Yes.
Are we there?
Yes.
Thank you. And following the review process by the board, today, 714 teachers are receiving their appointment letters out of the 954 advertised slots. I'm happy, and I'll explain each of every group that is out of the 954. I'm happy to announce that depending on the academic qualification, it's important to you to observe this. The teachers have been observed at favorable job groups with a salary range of between 26,000 to 39,000. This has effectively enhanced the liberation of ECDE teachers threefold from the current rate of 12,000 per month. Wageni ndio wamekaa sana, but we have moved now. Yes. Beside an assured pension, ECDE teachers will qualify various financial products with the banks and other financial institutions. To help and tune our teachers to their new terms of service, from Thursday, our ECDE teachers will embark on an induction course at the Kisii ATCs, that is the Agricultural Training Center. Therefore, immediately will be announced on the program on the induction. The induction will take place to make sure you've gotten the best basics of getting into Bible school. The induction, which is also the training program for competence-based program, CBC, is being sponsored by the County Pension Fund, that's CDF. I want to thank CDF for initiating, and I also welcome other sponsors who willing to support the normal rate. It is important to know that those teachers who are over 50 years could not meet the criteria for absorption into permanent and pensionable terms, but all is not lost. I'll give direction. What will be done? Kwa hivyo wale mko miaka 50 kuelekea juu, hata mimi na another 10 years I know I'll be there. Tutahakikisha kwamba kwa hiyo miaka 10 yuko kazi, mtafurahia kuwa kazini. Sasa in conclusion, God is organizing their commitment to service delivery at our ECDE centers. I hereby ask the Public County Public Service Board to consider retaining the service of the teachers who have attained 50 years and above on contract terms on a renewable basis. This because ECDE is an integral part in the development of our child's or children, both psychological and academic and social. We purpose to also make sure that the learning environment in our centers is maintained to proper standards and turn them into centers of excellence. I did promise at the time of campaign, and I'm gearing towards it to make sure those centers are centers of excellence. We have a population of over 70,200 ECDE learners admitted in 703 centers. We have already embarked on the construction of modern ECDE classrooms throughout the county. Number 8, to establish modern centers. I did mention when the President was around that we have done very well. There are more classrooms again we are doing to meet the needs of our society. We're going to put more money in the construction of those